boys and girls, Dan here with Hollenbeck to Nowhere. I'm at beautiful all-day travel cafe. Getting my little cappuccino on. You know what day today is? You know what day it is? It's another exciting lime bike challenge. Today I'm going to Oak Cliff Nature Preserve in Oak Cliff. That's in Oak Cliff, Texas. I ride this trail somewhat frequently, and I'm gonna take the lime bike to where it hasn't been before. I'm gonna experience certain kind of love and compassion that only I can bring to the lime bike. The lime bike is a beast of a bike. Street bike, and it is a trail bike, and it has a basket. It's solar powered, it's got a brake light. Wait, there's a brake light? Woo! I'm here seeing my peeps at the Tribal Cafe. Rosemary's here. Ryan Gaston, he makes the most awesome cappuccinos. Hey Ryan, you rock, buddy. And Rosemary, oh, you're so wonderful. I'm gonna drink my little cappuccino and get pumped up, go hit the trail, my lime bike. We go! Rama man, you have outdone yourself with this one. Mmm, delectable. So we found our lime bike here in Oak Cliff by Jefferson. This is gonna be, I have to see if this is gonna work. Looks like it's in working order, so we'll grab this one. All right. We're here. Oh, nice plane. Wow. Yeah, let's mount up and get a hold of this trail. Oh, the tires are. That's because they're solid rubber. Obstacles are fun on this bike. I mean, really, really fun. Again, with the basket in front, you can't see the obstacle. Who cares? That's fun. When I look around my heart, I can only hope to find it. When I look around my heart, whisper to the grass focus. Okay, so here's a rock garden. I always make this rock garden, but okay, it doesn't do it justice. You got to get all and all. Let's give it a whirl. Woo-hoo. Oh, 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 rocks. Oh, God, I got a hold of that. You failed me. It was my fault. I looked down and I looked to the right, and that's where I went. Hey, I got it. I missed my line. I was going to the right. I was not paying attention. I didn't want it bad enough. I definitely want it right now. I see my line. I see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that again. Arf. Kind of slow going, but I did it. Found that line. So it does have good clearance when it comes over there, so I scraped just a little bit, but as long as I cleaned it, life is good. Woo. Man, it is so much fun on this bike. You have to get used to it. Get used to the rubber tire, and they're hard. It's just solid rubber tires. So, but the seat makes up for it. The seat is nice and cushy, but a lot of fun. So it's just owning Oak Cliff Nature Preserve. It's doing well. Not a big jump because it is a lime bike, but it felt good. One thing the Lime bike does not do well is the rock ledges. Tires are, they're street tires. I was hopeful. It didn't work out. A couple of them I got close, spun out. Thank you, Lime Bike, for making an incredible bike. It's rock solid. Yeah, this bike does not like roots. Do you, girl? No, you don't. She absolutely hates roots. Sorry, girl. Sorry. She's putting up a good fight. Okay, onward. Holy kombucha. Whew. I'm getting a workout. Well, boys and girls, that wraps it up today here at Oak Cliff Nature Preserve with Lime Bike Challenge number 2. And it handled amazing. Overall, it handled very well. It did not like the roots, however. Did not like climbing. But I just had a fabulous time with this bike. Sweet Pop-Tarts. Thank y'all for watching. Oh, gross. What was that? Appreciate you. I love you. Take care of yourselves. Until next time, peace. Hey, where's aisle 9?